This video is gonna be all about those random first apartment essentials that are definitely not necessary, but they are so nice, and I can guarantee that you're gonna be just as obsessed with them as I am.
I'm Sophia Lee. I'm a recent college graduate who is obsessed with turning her first apartment into a home. I'm taking you along with me and showing you my best decorating ideas, organization tips, and cleaning hacks so that you can make your apartment look Pinterest perfect while sticking to a budget. I'm here to help you turn your apartment into a place you will love.
So I'm gonna be going room to room, and we're gonna start in the kitchen. And like I said, none of these, like moving into a first apartment is so expensive. So definitely you don't need these things, but they're just nice. And the first one is like one of my favorite things ever. And it is pre-cut parchment paper, which is obviously such like a first world problem. But I never would cut the parchment paper right. I would always get too much and then it'd burn in the oven, whatever. Like I said, first world problem, I know. But these are awesome. They're from Amazon and they literally are like perfectly cut to your sheet. And they were $11 for 200 of them. And I feel like you could get like, maybe they're $1 or $2 more if you were just to get a roll of parchment paper. But I'm willing to pay the extra $1 or $2 just for the ease of convenience. And it makes me happy every time I pull it out. So pre-cut parchment paper is one of my favorite random things that I bought for my apartment. The second random apartment essential that I love is this chopper. And I love to cook, but chopping vegetables just takes up so much time. This thing is $20 on Amazon and can cut any vegetable in like 2 seconds. So all you do is you put, like, if this was an onion, you cut the onion in half and you put half of it down and then you just chop it down like that and it is fully diced for you. It is the best thing ever. I'll have to put like a screen recording thing over this just so you can see how amazing it is. But you can do it with potatoes, tomatoes, onions. There's a zoodle for like a zoodle thing so you can make zoodles in it. I think it's called a spiralizer. And then there is one for like lasagna noodles. This thing is just awesome. I can't remember if I said it, but I think it was like $20. Another thing from Amazon. And it's just one of those products that you'll be like, I wish I had it before. It'd be a really good Christmas or like birthday gift to randomly ask someone for because it's not too expensive. I love it so much that I actually got it for like a housewarming gift for my friends that got apartments, so it's awesome. And the last kitchen product that I love is from Costco, but I'm sure you'd be able to find it anywhere, and it's these bowls. And I know these just look like average bowls, but one at Costco, they're like $4 or 4 for $8, so they're super inexpensive. And these things are the best. So here's just a comparison to like a normal size bowl. Like they're huge, so they're perfect for salads. But my favorite part about them is that one, they're dishwasher safe, so you can throw it in the dishwasher, which like, I don't know, I just love being able to throw things in the dishwasher. But they're also microwavable and oven safe. So I use it for so many things. I do like abs and different types of like dip in here that need to go in the oven. So like spinach dip, I'll put it in when I'm having friends over. Salads, I do sides in here. Mashed potatoes, like literally the most random things go in here, and it's just awesome to have these bowls, and they're so cheap. So love these. We are now moving on from the kitchen, and this is like really random, but it makes me feel so much better. And it is this little bar thing that also is from Amazon. I know all of these like are from Amazon, but it's super easy to do. All you do is you put it under your door and then you like kick it into place, and no one can get inside with it on there. So it just makes me feel a little bit better when I sleep at night. And I always have it on my door, but it's just super easy to do, really quick, and like I said, it will just make you feel better. We're now in the bathroom, and I only have one thing in here that I like really love that I've got it for my bathroom, and it is these turntables to organize all my hair products in. They are awesome. So I have like I have it all fully organized, and I have a whole video going over my bathroom organization, which you could watch too. But I have my like IGK products, which is one of my favorite hair brands, my products that I use for wet hair. I don't know, I just have it all organized, my hair clips, and it just makes it so easy. and it's like one of my favorite things to organize with. And then I even have it on top. I have like deodorant, tanning stuff, shaving stuff, nail polish. It just makes it really, really easy to organize all my products in. Okay, now we have the most exciting of them all, cleaning products. So I know it's kind of boring, but these cleaning products are really, really good. And we'll start off with, okay, let's start off with this Downy Wrinkle Releaser. If you haven't heard of this stuff or tried it out, I'm about to change your entire life. I'm not even kidding. So I'm gonna post like a screen thing from my Instagram stories of me showing you how this stuff works. And it's from Target. I'm sure you could get it at Walmart, Amazon, wherever. It's like $7, and it is pure magic. It works better than an iron. Well, I don't know if it works better than an iron, but it's so much easier. All you do is spray it onto your clothes and the wrinkles come out. So I'll put that screen recording on so that you can see how this actually works on clothes. So this isn't the best example, but this is the most wrinkled shirt I could find. Okay, all you do, this is why this is so nice in college, because you literally just, hold on, I haven't even used this yet. You just spray the shirt and then you pull down on it and the wrinkles literally just erase. You see that? It is crazy. And then I actually, okay, wasn't that like amazing? It is so cool. Next up, we have this Sprayway glass cleaner. This stuff is $1.99 at your same places, Target, Walmart, you know, wherever. And it is by far the best glass cleaner you will ever use. It goes, like a little bit goes really far, so spray less than you think. And a little hack for you is use newspaper or a coffee filter so you don't get that little lint coming on your windows like you do with paper towels. But this stuff is the best glass cleaner like out there. And then we have technically have three more. Okay. Magic erasers, especially in an apartment, are so nice because they will get scuff marks out of anything. They do such a good job at cleaning any marks on the walls, any marks on your floor, your cabinets, like really anything. I always keep a bunch of these on hand and they're just awesome to have. And then, okay, we'll go to, I keep acting like it's the last one. We have two more. So then this is this Folex Instant Carpet Spot Remover. I originally got this for my white couch and I knew it was white and it was risky, so I wanted to find a like carpet cleaner or fabric cleaner that people loved, and people raved about this one on Amazon, so I bought it and it is so good. It takes so many stains out. I use it on everything, crossing my fingers that I have not had to use it on the couch yet, but I've used it on rugs. We got stains on like my actual carpet going up the stairs, so I use it there. It's just awesome to have, and like I said, I got it from Amazon, but I know that Home Depot also sells it. And I don't remember the exact price, but it was probably like $12 or something. But I just feel like it's something good to have on hand. And then lastly, we have this Downy's Calm in Lavender and Vanilla Bean. It's a fabric conditioner. I don't know what the difference between fabric conditioner and fabric softener is, but this smells like heaven. I talk about it all the time in my videos. It is just so good. I promise you, if you get it, you will like just love it, and it smells up my entire apartment. So those are by far my favorite cleaners that I've ever tried. Okay, so I am in love with my bed, and I was buying like a whole bed situation, so that gets really expensive, and I was trying to keep it really budget friendly. So I got a mattress off of Amazon for like $250, and it is so comfortable. I highly recommend. And then on top of it, and I don't know if it's a combination of the two or if it's like the mattress is really good or the mattress topper is really good, but the mattress topper that I have on this bed is so comfortable. It makes it feel like a hotel bed. I dream of going to bed all day. It is just really good, and it was like $75, so that's not cheap, but I feel like it'll give you new life to your bed. It is so good, and I know a lot of people that have bought it, and I get DMs about it all the time saying how amazing it is. And lastly, we have my couch. So my couch, I was very specific with what I wanted, and I wanted to have two areas where I could put up my feet, and couches are really freaking expensive. So I was having a hard time finding a couch like under $2,000, which is just insane, and I did not want to spend that on an apartment couch. But I ended up finding this couch at Ashley's, and online it says that it's $2,400, but Ashley's runs sales all the time, so we ended up getting it for like $1,200, which does seem expensive, but for a couch, like, it's actually a really good price. It is so comfortable. My boyfriend and I always talk about how it's one of our best purchases that we've ever made, and it's just awesome, and it fits the space perfectly. And I know it is white, but I figured that I'm young and I don't have kids, so this is like really the only time that I can have a white couch. And then I have that stain remover that is awesome, so I don't really have to worry about it. Well, I mean, I need to worry about it, but I don't need to be super uptight about things spilling on it. So those are by far my favorite first apartment products that I purchased, and they're just things that make life a little bit nicer, and none of them are too expensive. So I highly recommend trying them out. They're the best. For more apartment decorating ideas, organization tips, and cleaning hacks, make sure to follow me on Instagram at @BySophiaLee and subscribe to my channel.